It is a ethics-based question. As you know, you got to aware about the specific resource situation of your organization contractor. Then you cannot keep this information to yourself, and you want to selfishly complete your project. So let's see which option you select ethically. Option A says complete your project. I want to say complete your project selfishly. This is not the right thing to do. So option A is wrong. Option number B says, tell other project managers, those who are managing the project with this contractor, so that they can adjust their work and get the work done as per the schedule. This is the right thing to do. So option number B is right. Option number C is, mediate the issue with contractor and their team. You're not going to mediate the issue. This is their job. They have to manage themselves. So option number C is also not right. Option number D is cancel the contract. You are not supposed to cancel the contract because of their internal issues. Yes, you have to do some remedy and preventive actions, but you are not supposed to do or cancel the contract. So right answer for this situation and the options we have is tell the other project manager about the contractor team issues. Thank you. Those who have answered it correctly through ethical mindset, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.